Okay? Yan. Okay, so, disclaimer lang po tayo ngayon. Siyempre, napaka-importante para hindi tayo, ma-misinterpret, no? So, inuuna natin to. The information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. Ayan. And, of course, it is unethical for a member or an affiliate in this opportunity to persuade anyone to make a payment, promising benefits from getting others to join. Do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easy to achieve. So again, we are not an investment company. Okay, tatandaan niyo po yan. Yan. Okay, very important yan na malaman nyo sa umpisa pa lang ng ating presentation. Okay, so, magpapakilala lang po ako ng konti, although nabanggit na po ni Coach Nix, sa kanyang powerful introduction. Ayan, so ako po si Maria Jeanette Sajonas from Toronto. Nakabase po ako ngayon sa Toronto, Canada, although I am a Pangasinense and an Ilocana. And a former anchor, a local TV host po sa Sky TV. Also, co-founder ng aking team, Freedom Champions Global. Also part of the DMW Speakers Bureau. And yan, binanggit ni Coach Nix, Live Good Millionaire Circle. Ayan, I am also a Feng Shui consultant hanggang ngayon. Yan, and Reiki Master. So, I love so much about talking about and passionate about energy. Kasi alam niyo po, energy is everything. So, napaka-importante po na yung binibigay nating energy is nagra-radiate on the positive side. Okay? Yan. So, I am also a health enthusiast dahil dumating yung time na talagang, naku, grabe yung naging itsura ko na, no? Alam niyo na, hormone, yung imbalance ng hormones natin. So, kaya talagang, well, we want to age gracefully. Kaya talagang, that is the main reason why naging passionate na tayo on being healthy. And yes, true enough, I have these products with Live Good, and I use the products, and I am also with these products. Alam niyo po ba that it helped me a lot to get my certification as a Zumba instructor kasi I had some health issues before. I have sciatica. So, hindi ko makuha ko yung certificate ko noon because of that health issue. And true enough, nung nakagamit tayo ng mga health products, then it had helped me so much. And talagang na-transform yung life ko on the health side and at the same time sa wealth side. And nasa healthcare industry din tayo. I am working with seniors. So masasabi ko po that I am an entrepreneur with an active job. And also, the reason why I joined Live Good is I look at it as my emergency plan. Alam niyo po, well, hindi naman nakakayang sabihin, but you know, as we age, nag-iiba yung priorities natin. And being here at the age of 55, syempre, nag-iiba na rin yung goals natin. Just like I said, naging emergency, I am looking at Live Good as my emergency plan for retirement. Kasi hindi naman tayo laging bata para magtrabaho. So, iniisip ko, what if hindi ko na kayang magtrabaho? And I saw this opportunity na talagang very conducive to get financial security, and at the same time, para magkaroon din ng, alam mo yon, yung parang income mo, not depending on the pension. At hindi mo kailangang mag-antay ng 60 years old to get that pension. At hindi tayo nakadepende sa gobyerno because we have this vehicle, we have this company, we have this opportunity. That is the main reason why I am here in Live Good. And I want to share this with you, yung opportunity na napakasimple, and it is here to change lives. So everyone, welcome po sa ating Zoom presentation, again powered by Dreammakers Worldwide in collaboration with my team, Freedom Champions, and the name of our company is Live Good. Ayan. So, Our mission, of course, dito sa Dreammakers Worldwide is to help our affiliates and members reach their full potential, rank up to diamond, and attain time and financial freedom. Lahat naman tayo gustong maka-attain ng time and financial freedom. The question is, you have to take a simple, kung merong path na simple, doable, duplicatable, then this is it. So, masasabi ko po that you are in the right place at the right time. The question is, will you be the right person for this company? So, malalaman po natin yan as we deep dive in. Okay, so today I will be covering 3 parts, no? The profile of the company, the products, and the compensation plan. Alam niyo po, napaka-importante po ito na i-take natin into consideration company. Well, added to that, aside from the profile, from the compensation plan, and from the products, kailangan din natin i-consider yung timing. And it's good that, just like I said, we are at the right place and at the right time, and plus the support of the company. So I would like to introduce to you our Live Good team, starting off with our CEO, Ben Glinsky, who has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in nutritional supplement industry, and he knows how to help people win. So aside from being the CEO, nag-venture siya sa maraming businesses. He is also an IT guy. He is also a consultant ng different companies, no? Kaya nga nakita na niya lahat ng marketing plans, alam na niya kung ano yung sakit ng mga companies. So having that experience, he knows now how to take care or to cure the sick care model of this industry. And we also have Noder Kazan, siya ang Director of Field Development natin, and BFF yan ni Ben Glinsky. Pag pinagsama mo ang experience nila with Ben, it was like nasa 50 years na, no? Yan. So, he is also a legend in the network marketing industry. He helped a lot of people, he trained a lot of people, and he's also a philanthropist. So, he's a true leader and friend to everyone. Alam niyo po, pag nag-message ka sa kanya, sinasagot ka niya agad, or nag-iiwan niya ng voice message. Or even, minsan mahilig mag-live yan. So, actually, every single day, nasa 13 to 14 Zooms yan. We also have Dr. Ryan Goodkin, ang ating Director of Product Development. So he has a doctorate degree in pharmacy from Palm Beach Atlantic University, and meron din siyang degree sa Science and Nutrition. No? So ibig sabihin, may unique background siya as a pharmacist at the same time as a natural health practitioner. And alam niyo po ba itong taong to, he is very thorough, he is very detailed pagdating sa pag-formulate ng products. Kung si Ben is very, kung si Ben took care of the sick care model ng MLM, si Dr. Ryan Goodkin naman took care of the sick care model ng pharmaceuticals, na sabi niya noon na the pharmaceuticals is a big business. So it is time for a change. And, well, naging vehicle niya ang Live Good because he makes sure that the products that he is formulating is clean, natural, and organic. And of course, we have Lisa Goodkin. So si Lisa ang spouse ni Dr. Ryan Goodkin, no? With a master's degree in exercise physiology. She is actually an epitome of health, fitness, and wellness. So kung makikita mo siya, very responsive siya. At the same time, pag nagtanong ka, ano ba ang healthy lifestyle? Ano ba ang dapat kong ipasok sa katawan ko? Ano ba ang dapat kong kainin? Then, Lisa is the go-to person. So, pag nag-email kayo sa kanya, alam nyo, nagre-respond din yan right away. So, makikita natin dito that we really have a true leadership, true leaders, no? And you know that true leadership creates true success. Sabi nga, everything rise and fall in leadership. And we are very blessed because we have a corporate team that is so transparent, that is so true, and it is always looking after what's good para sa masses, and that is us. Okay? Ayan. So, excuse me. Live Good is a company that is making remarkable strides because of a blend of health and entrepreneurial opportunities. So alam niyo po, si Live Good is a US-based company located in Jupiter, Florida. And it has globally launched on December 2022. So kung bibilangin natin, mag 3 years pa lang siya. But it has created a lot of noise. No? Yan. And it is open in more than 200 countries. Yes, you heard it right. Actually, pagka-open nung um, global expansion nila noon, kasi nag-umpisa yan sa US lang noon eh. Parang naging test market nila. Nung inopen nila, globally 200 countries kagad ang inopen nila, no? Ayan, so makikita niyo po yung ating warehouse sa Florida, and then itong isa is sa Germany. So we have 2 distribution or fulfillment center, one in Florida and one in Germany. Yeah. Okay. So, regarding our products, alam niyo po ba na ang mga products natin are made in the USA? Alam naman po natin na pag ang products are made in USA, talagang nagpa-follow yan ng strict, talagang nagko-comply and strictly complying sa safety regulation at pagdating sa sa quality, ano? Yan. So, we have quality seals. Itong good manufacturing practices, verifying that the products na pinuproduce ng Live Good ay nagko-comply sa sa health, sa production na malinis, and at the same time sa mga tao, it made sure na very qualified yung mga taong nagwo-work and malinis yung mga facilities nila. And also, National Sanitation Foundation. So meron din tayong quality seal under National Sanitation Foundation. It made sure na itong mga products natin are talagang malinis and of course walang additives, no? Ayan, and we are also USDA organic, meaning yung mga farms natin are talagang organic siya and walang pesticides, walang herbicides na ini-spray sa kanila. So grabe, no? Ang daming talaga ang daming masasabi mo na very quality talaga ang mga products natin. And we also have this certificate of analysis. Ano yan? So actually it is a third party certified na for purity and potency. And alam niyo po, ito are the independent laboratories. So ibig sabihin, ano ang ginagawa ng mga ito na laboratories? It made sure na sila independently na tinitest yung mga product natin. So there are third party na laboratories, ano, na kung ano yung nasa label natin na nilalagay, yun talaga ang andoon, no? Yan. And of course, just like I said, tested for purity and potency, and we are accredited sa American Association for Laboratory. So ano ibig sabihin nito? Anong importansya nito? Anong significance nito? Well, if you have all these quality seals, ibig sabihin nun, we are so clean and we are so transparent when it comes to our products. At the same time, pag ganito yung mga quality seals, it also builds trust for the consumer. So ibig sabihin, makakasigurado ka na safe ang mga products natin. Okay? Yan. So what else? Napakasimple lang po ng mission natin to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Okay? Ayan. So ano pa? We have these life-changing products and unmatched qualities. Alam niyo po ba na up to this date, meron na tayong 40 quality products. Unmatched quality because we have the highest quality at the lowest price. Never ever in the history of network marketing na nagkaroon ng ganyang quality and yung match natin, yung prices natin are truly unmatched. Why? Because wala tayong price gouging, wala tayong overpriced products just for other distributors to get paid, no? So, gaya ng mission natin, 'di ba? We made sure, Live Good made sure na it won't break our bank. Yan. And of course, yan. So we also have product bundle packages. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang bumili individually. At the same time, pwede ka ding bumili in bundle packages at mas makakatipid ka when you buy in bundle. In fact, meron tayong isang very popular na bundle package which is the International Wellness Pack. So, 6 na products yon, and the products inside are truly essential. Sa pag sinabi mong essential, very important, talagang kailangan ng katawan natin. No? Ayan. And magkano naman yon? Well, it is discounted rate on shipping fee. Bakit? Kasi free talaga ang shipping. So, it's free shipping, 6 products, and very powerful siya. No? Ayan. Also, alam niyo po ba that we also have this money back 90-day empty bottle guarantee. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag hindi mo nagustuhan yung product, hindi mo nagustuhan yung lasa, and you feel na hindi nag-work sa'yo or hindi tumalab sa'yo, but I don't think so, no? Kasi wala pa naman ako narinig na nagpabalik ng product, no? Then you are entitled para magkaroon ng refund. Dahil sabi ni Ben, we don't want to take your money if it does not work for you. If our products does not work sa'yo. So imagine, saan ka nakakita ng ganyan, ano? I-refund nila kung hindi mo nagustuhan yung product. Yan. So very powerful talaga. And of course, kaya natin sinabing unmatched yung ating mga products, not only sa quality, pati sa presyo. No? So, magpa-price compare tayo ngayon. No? Alam nyo po, very powerful ang social media. Gone are the days na yung gano'n, overpriced and price gouging. No? So, ngayon, everything is transparent na sa social media. When you buy a product, titignan mo sa social media kung meron ka pang makikita na mas affordable, hindi ba? Because the marketplace has also changed. Yung behavior ng marketplace, nagpalit na rin. Ibig sabihin, ang mga consumers ngayon are moving away from expensive products and they are moving towards affordability and value. At yan ang maipagmamalaki natin. Why? Tignan nyo po yung mga products na andito. No? 4 products plus 4 products din ng iba't ibang company. So kung makikita ninyo yung ating magnesium, it's only 8.95 at alam niyo po ba, very powerful yung ating magnesium. Responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body. Kung merong mali sa katawan mo at hindi ma-explain o kaya hindi nakikita sa test, it must be maaaring may problema ang magnesium or magnesium deficient ka. And our magnesium is only 8.95 versus yung ating magnesium sa ibang companies, $30 and $35. That would save you $70 and 74. I'm sorry, 70% and 74%. So anong ibig sabihin ng mga savings na yan? Well, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. So kung ganyan ang natitipid mo, yung savings mo na yan, magagamit mo sa iba. Hindi po ba? O another product, ang ating factor 4 for only 18.50. Alam nyo po ba na ito ang top seller product po natin? This is for chronic pain. Maganda din po ito for, it is actually an anti-inflammatory, no? Alam nyo po, lahat ng sakit nag-originate yan sa inflammation. And usually, hindi natin nakikita yan because nanggagaling yan sa loob. And the reason why tinawag siyang factor 4, because merong 4 ingredients yan na usually binibili natin separately. Like the CoQ10, the turmeric, the garlic, the fish oil, no? Yan. And ito pinaghalo-halo na yan po dito for only 18.50. Yan. And tignan nyo naman yung anti-inflammatory na products ng kabilang company, $56 and 58.42. A savings of 66% pag kinumpare sa price natin. And we also have our super greens. Nako, napakaganda po ito for overall well-being natin, no? Alam niyo po, for only $18, no? As compared doon sa iba, $69.99 and $99.99. So, grabe, no? 74% and 81%. Etong super greens natin is a mixture of all greens. Lahat ng maisipan yung greens andyan na. Yung miracle plant na moringa, yung spirulina na natural antibiotic, yung dandelion, yung wheatgrass, at kung ano-ano pa, no? Yan, for only $18. And we also have the Super Reds na napakaganda naman sa ating heart. Because alam niyo po, as we age, nagdideplete din ang ating nitric oxide. So, naapektuhan din ang ating, you know, pag-flow ng sa blood vessels natin, no? Pag nadideplete yung nitric oxide natin, apektado ang blood flow natin. So, we have this $18 lang compared to sa dalawang products natin dyan na pinag-comparean. You're saving 74 and 54%. So, imagine, how would you like that, no? Talagang our products won't break our bank. Gone are the days na sinasabi natin na, naku, napakamahal ang maging healthy. Tapos na po yun. Because now you could be healthy without buying overpriced products. Yan, what's more? Okay, so maybe magtataka po kayo, what is Live Good? Ano yung platform niya? Ano yung model niya? It is both a club membership and a subscription. So club membership siya because we get benefits and discount. So subscription siya if you choose to pay it monthly. So actually, a combination of both, no? Club membership and subscription base. Inadapt natin si Costco as a club membership because we could put anything under our club membership. And subscription, dahil binabayarin natin siya either monthly or yearly. Okay? And kung nalilito pa kayo, what are subscriptions? Well, you could see itong mga andito sa ating slide, no? I'm pretty sure familiar kayo sa Netflix, sa Spotify, sa Disney Plus, sa Headspace. So, basically, lahat na sinusubscribe na ngayon. So, ngayon, kakaiba, dahil si Live Good pioneered the membership model that pays sa multi-level marketing. No? Yan. So, if you are curious, ano meron sa subscription or membership, eto yon. No? Ayan. Magsasite tayo ng a few examples and then yung monthly subscription or yearly subscription na binabayaran natin. No? Ayan, si SNR. Ayan, si Landers. Ayan, ang ating Gold's Gym, Fitness First, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Costco. So basically, nagbabayad tayo monthly or yearly in exchange of what? Services. In exchange of what? Products. In exchange of what? Exclusivities or probably mga freebies. No? Yan. So, example natin si Netflix. Nagbabayad tayo monthly. Alam nyo ba na si Netflix, no? Meron siyang 282 million subscriber. Dinisrupt ni Netflix ang cinema. Madalang na ngayon ang nanonood ng sine, no? Especially during the time of pandemic, talagang doon siya pumutok kasi hindi ka pwedeng lumabas, di ba? So, even after the pandemic, people chose Netflix. Why? Because it is convenient, hindi ka na nata-traffic, dahil hindi mo na kailangan maghanap, hindi ka pag lumabas ka manood ng sine, right? Yan. So, ilang revenue niya noong 2024? 37 billion revenue. And ang net profit niya, 7.7 billion net profit as of September 2024. Si Costco, ilan ang members ni Costco? 132 million members. And ang paid members natin, 79 million. 4.8 billion in revenue sa membership fees ng 2024. So, bakit ko binabanggit itong mga ito? Just to show you that ang ganitong model is on upward trajectory and it is the future of commerce. So, though itong mga company na to offers amazing products and services, they don't have what Live Good has. Bakit? Ano ba meron kay Live Good? It is a subscription that pays. So, ilang taon ka nang nagbabayad ng Netflix? Ako, Costco member, ilang taon na ako nagbabayad ng Costco membership ko? 10 years. Do I get anything sa subscription ko? Wala. Not even Netflix. So, kakaiba si Live Good because it is a subscription that pays. Bakit? Kasi may affiliate program na naka-attach sa ating membership club. Makes sense, di ba? Yan. Okay, so, ano yung benefits natin being a Live Good member and affiliate? So, simple lang. You have to we save up to 75% of the base price compared to other brands. Nakita nyo naman kanina nung nag-price compare tayo, hindi ho ba? So again, $1 saved is $1 earned. Number 2, we have a free personalized health assessment. So, imagine, no, yung health site na yan, pwede mong isend sa mga friends mo, especially dun sa mga taong walang time magpa-check up. You could give them your link, this personal health assessment, and just check on how's their health. No? And Dr. Ryan is there, magkakaroon ng recommendation, ano yung mga kailangan niyang supplements. Of course, we have 3 replicated websites, no? The corporate site, retail site, and the Power Landing page. So, yung corporate site natin, makikita nyo yung mga products dyan, no? Ayan. And how to be a member or kung gusto mo lang na retail customer. We have the retail site kung halimbawang gusto mong mag-retailer. Gaya ng parang etong retail site mo, para kang may Shopee, meron kang Lazada, meron kang Amazon, no? So, imagine, gone are the days din na nagbebenta ka na nagbubuhat ka ng mga products. You only need to have your retail website and add cart lang, right? So, number 3, you have your Power Landing page. Since it is open sa 200 countries, you could share the business dito, online, at the comfort of your home, no? Ito, very powerful ito. Ito yung madalas natin gamitin. And of course, we have e-commerce and drop shipping site. Yan, nakita nyo naman kanina. And the advantages ng ating company, we don't have mandatory buying, no auto ship, no team sales quota, no points monitoring, no flash out, no personal sales required. I'm pretty sure familiar itong mga terminologies na to, lalo na sa mga may background sa network marketing, hindi ho ba? Na meron tayo kadalasan package, meron tayo kadalasan na kailangan every month bumili ka. Well, tapos na po yun, no? No, lahat. You could buy the products whenever you want, whenever you need it. You buy, yes. You don't buy, okay lang. Auto ship, hindi dinedebit yung card mo every month. At hindi mo kailangan tawagan ang yung mga ka-team na, uy, cut off na yung points mo, yung products mo. So, wala na pong ganun. And our products has no points, no? Ayan, no flash out. Wala tayong fifth pair. Diba? Familiar, no? Ayan. Okay, so ano pa? You could buy the products when you want, whenever you need it. And, ang advantage mo pa, or benefit, in becoming a Live Good member or an affiliate when you are a part of DMW, we also offer special trainings. So, usually, ang mga trainings na to, pag pinili mo sa labas, like, bawa yung training on a strong mindset, 5,000 pesos yan. Ako, sa mastery courses, well, I could say that it's even more than 5,000 actually. Bakit ko alam? Because I enrolled myself then sa personality development, no? So, it's even more than that. And technical training, yes, 5,000 din, no? Pag kinuha mo yung course yan sa labas. And also, ano pa? Unlimited prospecting, 5,000. So, imagine, itong mga to, pag kinompute mo, that will be worth 20,000 pesos. But if you are a part of Dream Makers Worldwide, this is absolutely free because we have a lot of leaders who can conduct this training. O, di ba? So, best value, di ba? Ang pagiging Live Good member or an affiliate. Okay, so what's more? Yan, free trainings and we have this community. So, alam niyo po, done are the days na sinasabi natin crossline. Wala nang crossline sa Live Good. Like, even if we belong to different teams, we help one another. Okay? And when we help one another, we're building a culture of one team. One team, one dream. Yan. Okay, so we are doing the business through online, whether sa cellphone mo o sa laptop. The good news is you can do your business using your cellphone. I know, ngayon uso ang smartphone. Lahat na is smartphones, right? Well, kung hindi mo ginagawa or hindi mo ginagamit ang phone mo sa business, hindi smart ang phone mo. So, might as well use it. Okay? Ayan. So, ano pa? Now, Janet, ang dami mo nang sinabi. Paano bang maging affiliate dyan? Simple lang. Alam niyo po ba that in being a part of Live Good, you just need to be an affiliate. one-time lifetime affiliate fee. Again, one-time lifetime affiliate fee. Kung sa love ko ng forever, dito may forever. One-time lifetime, $40. And the yearly subscription, 99.95. So, done ka na for the 1 year. So, pag tinotal mo yan, 139.95, you save $20. Okay? And magkano yun, Janet, in pesos? So, 8,400 pesos lang po. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Well, you've got a global business. Saan ka naman nakakita na ang puhunan ay 8,400 na magagawa mo yung business mo online, global, in 200 countries? Dito lang. O sige nga, I challenge you. Anong traditional business ang mapapatayo mo sa 8,400? Nako, pag sari-sari store, baka kulang pa yan. Ano naman ang itsura ng sari-sari store mo pag ganyan lang ang puhunan mo? Diba? Food cart business, ang mahal ng food cart business. So, think about it, no? Imagine having a business global na 8,400 pesos. So, maliit, diba? Maliit, no? So, it's like, eto pa yung business natin, it's as if like with this 8,400, for every person na masusharean mo, meron ka ng franchise because we use the power of leverage, no? Multiply our time through others. So, isang tao can be, pwede mong isipin na franchise, but hindi milyon ang ininvest mo. Alam mo naman, pag sinabi mong franchise, di ba? Investment na yun. Ito, it's capital. 8,400 pesos capital for an international business. Yan. And also, we have 7 ways to earn, no? Alam nyo, when you become an affiliate, you will earn in 7 ways. Yan. At isa-isahin po natin yan right here, right now. Yan. So, number 1, we have the matrix commission. Simple lang. We have a 2x12, our team building structure. We have the 2x12 up to 15. Pag nag-rank up na po tayo. But when we are starting, syempre nasa 2x12 pa lang po tayo. Kaya pag unrank ka, hanggang 2x12 muna. And then eventually, when we rank up, kasi the good news is napopromote din tayo dito. May rankings din tayo dito, no? Ngayon, ang kagandahan, even if you are unranked, this is the potential income ng ating matrix, no? Yan, so 2,047.50. By the way, ang setup ng matrix, di ba sabi natin 2x12. So, spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come, first serve basis. Makikita niyo po yan later on habang ina-analyze po natin siya. So, paano nag-work ang matrix? Example. Ito po yung enroller nyo. Excuse me. Ito po yung enroller nyo, your sponsor. Ngayon, shinare nyo sa'yo yung business. No? Ayan. So, ikaw ito. And then, i-share din niya sa isang friend niya. Now, alam niyo po ba na when you share this with 2 people, bronze ka na. Ngayon, ang nakakatuwa, nag-rank up ka na kaagad, no? Dun sa first rank. Ang nakakatuwa, since your enroller is aggressive and talaga namang nakita niya yung potential ng business na to. No? Ayan, so, shinare niya sa friends niya. Ngayon, nung shinare niya sa friends niya, since, di ba sabi ko po, yung matrix natin, power of 2, 2x12, spots are filled from top to bottom, first come, first serve basis. Sa first level mo, 2 lang. So, ano mangyayari? Doon sa third na ini-sponsor, it will be spilled over sa'yo. So, it's a bonus, no? It's a bonus for you. Ayan. So, very aggressive siya ngayon. Ngayon, ano nangyari? Paano ba yung matrix income for every member? So, meron tayong matrix na for every member who has paid their monthly subscription worth $10, you will earn 0.25 cents. Okay? So, pag meron ka ng 40 members or affiliate, ito nakakatuwa. 125 cents times 40 equals $10. Done ka na for the monthly subscription. Tapos na, diba? Tapos na ang boxing. So, 600 pesos. So, it is not even an issue yung subscription natin. Kasi nga, diba, we are the membership that pays. Imagine, pag nagbayad, yung mga members mo, you will be getting 0.25 cents. And if you have 40 in your team, meron ka ng $10. Diba? Yan. So, pag 1,000 members or affiliates, paano yun? 0.25 cents times 1,000, that is a whooping $250. Diba? Malaki na rin yan. That's 15,000. Baka yan yung minimum salary for the month dyan sa Pilipinas, right? That is something already. No? Ayan. So, ayan po, kung titignan natin, ito po, as we rank up, lumalaki yung ating potential matrix commission. Naalala nyo kanina, yung ating potential income, pag unrank ka pa lang, 2,047.50. Janet, paano na kaya, ano yung mga figures na yan? Of course, sinasabi natin power of 2, di ba? So, 2. So, sa second level mo, 4. Sa third level mo, 8. So, as the matrix expand, no? Lumalaki din yan since 2 lang, bumababa siya, nag-expand siya pababa. So, pag na-reach mo ang bronze and silver, open na ang level 13 mo. So, meron ka ng 8,192 dyan, di ba? So, pag kinumpute mo yan times 0.25, that would make you have the potential of 4,095.50. Yan. Okay, so ito po, it gets even better pag ikaw ay gold and platinum. Kasi na-open na naman yung level 14 mo. So that's an additional 16,384 people. Kaya ang potential income natin dito is 8,191.50. And pag diamond ka, yan, open ang 15 level. That makes a potential income of 16,383.50. Alam niyo po ba kung bakit ako na-excite? Kasi po, bukas may i-announce si Ben that would help us fill our matrix fast. So, is it possible na ma-reach natin to? Yes. It will develop over time. And yes, it is possible. This is truly exciting. Kaya sabi ko nga, bukas, manood kayo ng Fire Starter Friday. I don't want to preempt the announcement. But yes, mas mapapabilis yung pag-fill ng matrix tomorrow. Dati sinasabi natin, this is the slow way to build the business. But when you become an affiliate, and then also, pag meron tayo mga members na andito, oh boy, talagang mabilis ang pag-fill ng matrix natin. And alam niyo po ba na ang matrix commission dito can be our retirement income? Okay, yung part ng compensation plan, the matching bonus, ikaw po yan. No? Alam niyo po ba na sa matching bonus, you are entitled to receive a 50% from your direct referral. Saan manggagaling yan? From their matrix pay. So, paano yun, Janet? Okay, ito, may first referral ka or first direct. Ngayon, na-excite siya. Talagang ang ginawa niya, shinare niya ng shinare yung business at nagkaroon siya ng matrix income ng $1,000. Ang sinasabi sa matching bonus, dahil direct mo yan, bibigyan kita or tatapatan ko ang 50% ng matrix income ng yung direct. Okay, so ilan ang 50% ng $1,000? $500, right? Eh, hindi ka na kontento sa sa isa. Meron ka pang second referral. Siyempre, excited ka, di ba? So, si second referral, ginagawa niya part-time. $600 yung matrix pay niya. Ilan ang 50% nun? $300. Binat siya, nilipot, tatapatan. No? Yan. Okay, ito naman, yung third referral natin. Medyo ito, papetex-petex. Ang ginawa niya is part-time lang, no? So, meron siyang $300 na matrix income. 50% dahil direct mo siya, 50% niyan is $150. So, sa tatlo pa lang yan. Pag halimbawang itong mga to talagang they're serious, no? Yan, may pang-apat pa. Okay. Additional $100, 50% nun is $50. Yan. So, kung i-compute mo yan, that makes 500 plus 300, 150 plus 50, a total of $1,000 or $60 1,000 pesos. And we are talking about mga directs mo pa lang yan. Kaya nga nasa first generation. Now, ang good news, ito, once you become, or once na nag-rank up ka, number 1, pag silver rank ka na, additional 10% sa second generation mo. Okay, first and second generation. Bukod dun sa 50% ha, ayan. And pag gold ka, hanggang third generation. Paano, Janet, yung first generation? Yung first generation mo, yun yung direct mo. Yung second generation, yun yung indirect mo. So, inisponsoran mo na nasa silver rank, na nasa gold rank. Ayan. So, eto, pag platinum na, or may platinum ka na, then hanggang third generation naman. Or, sorry, hanggang fourth generation naman. And pag diamond, hanggang fifth generation. So, imagine, pwedeng mangyari na, halimbawa, may platinum leader ka. Isang tao, 3 beses kang babayaran. Kung halimbawa, platinum ka, so binabayaran ka as silver, binabayaran ka as gold, binabayaran ka as platinum. Eh, paano pag yung nag-platinum, direct mo pa? 50%. Ganon siya ka-huge. No? Yan. Paano pag meron ka second generation, hindi umataw, nasa second generation, then 10%. Ganon po yun. So, ibig sabihin nito, action takers are being rewarded by Livgood. So, hindi ibig sabihin, hindi po yung, it's not true na yung sinasabi na iba na, ay, kasi nauna ka, kayong kikita. Nako, hindi po. Dito sa Livgood, kung sino yung nag-take action, well, i-reward ni Livgood. Huh? Yan, very fair ang compensation plan. And eto na, yung third way to earn, weekly fast start commission. Simple lang po siya. For every direct referral, you get 50%. No? Yan. So, basta, every direct referral, meron kang laging $25. That's how much? 1,500 pesos. Okay? So, $25 for each direct referral. And you can refer unlimited directs. So you could sponsor as many as you want. You could sponsor unlimitedly. Okay? Yan. Hindi ko kayo pipigilan na Livgood. So example, if you have 10 direct referrals of 10 people, you will earn how much? $250. Paano nangyari yon? $25 times 10. That makes $250. Okay? Yan. So, Janet, paano yung benefit naman yung sinasabi mo na pag nag-promote ka o nagra-rank advance ka, eh, mas kikita ka ng malaki. Ganito po yan. Okay? So, first level natin, pagdating sa fast start, basta ang first level mo, $25 yan. Ngayon, second level mo, paano yung second level? You have to be bronze. So, kung bronze ka na, na-open yung second level mo for the overriding commission. Additional 10% yan. Okay? Paano nga ulit mag-bronze? You need to sponsor 2 people. So, direct mo ito, right? Okay, direct mo to. And then, I'm sorry, yung first level mo is your direct. Ngayon, pag nagdalawa ka ng direct, magiging bronze ka. Ngayon, itong dalawang to, pag nag-refer or nag-share ng business at nag-enroll sila, hindi mo na direct, pero meron ka pa rin 10% or $5. Okay? Itong good news. Once you rank up to silver, dagdagan mo lang ng isa yung bronze mo. And you have a total of 20 members. Ma-open yung third and fourth level mo, additional 5%. $2.5 siya bawat tao. Siyempre, may mga team na hindi mo na yan direct, pero you're still earning. At third and fourth mo na yan, na level. Ngayon, eto pa, what's the next rank? Gold. Paano maging gold? Naku, i-convert mo lang na silver. Na silver yung tatlo mo, and may total team ka na 100 members, then gold rank affiliate na ang tawag sa'yo. And ma-open yung 5th and 6th level mo, additional 3% and 2%. Marami yan ha, 5th and 6th level. Okay? And hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dyan. Meron pang platinum. Paano yan, Janet? Okay, alam niyo po, ang gold is the sweet spot. Platinum is life-changing. Gawin mo ng gold, yung tatlong silver mo. Plus, kung may 500 total team members ka na, or affiliates, then platinum ang tawag sa'yo. And open na yung 7 and 8 level mo for additional fast start commission, 2% and 1%. No? Marami yan, ha? Again, hindi mo na kilala yan. Kaya yun po yung sinasabi ko na leveraging, no? Yung multiplier times to others. Nagle-leverage ka na sa kanila na hindi mo nga sila kilala, and yet, you leverage. No? Yan. Darating yung time na alam nyo po, literal na even while you're sleeping, you will earn because of the power of leverage. Kasi syempre, magkaiba yung time natin. Gaya ngayon, 10 p.m. na, dyan 10 a.m. pa lang. Diba? So, magkakaiba ang time zone natin. So, tutulog na kami. If I have some group in the Philippines, so syempre, sila naman nagmo-market. That's how it is. Yeah? Kaya literal talaga that you can earn while you sleep and live good. Now, once you reach diamond, paano na yan? Naku, gawin mo lang platinum, yung tatlong gold mo. Plus, a total team of 2,500. And, ma-open yung 9th and 10th level mo, 1% or $0.5. No? Akala nyo maliit yan? Hindi. Mukhang maliit, pero marami yan. Yan. Okay. So, the fourth way to earn the diamond bonus pool. Janet, paano ang magkaroon yan? Of course, you have to rank up to diamond. And we all want to be diamond. So, kung si gold ay the sweet spot, kung si platinum ay life-changing, si diamond is freedom. No? Ayan. So, kasi on top of the commissions, fast start, matrix income, matching bonuses and generational bonuses, plus yung ibang babanggitin pa natin mamaya, itong diamond bonus mo, ibibigay din sa yan. Okay, so saan nang gagaling yung diamond bonus mo? Number 1, sa membership payments. For every member, nagbabayad, no? Ng kanilang membership or subscription. Yeah. And also from product purchases. Alam nyo, kahit na sinasabi natin na hindi mandatory ang bumili, mapapabili ka talaga dahil unang-una, very effective yung products, life-changing, and affordable, and highest quality. Yan. Okay, so pag ito, nag-total ng $10 million from this membership payment, subscription fee, and all product purchases, paano ang pag-compute yan? Ganito po yan. Kunin nyo po ang 2% ng 10 million. And then, magkano yun? 200,000. So, yung 200,000 na yan, yan yung diamond bonus pool. Paghahatian ng lahat ng diamonds in the company. Regardless kung bago kang diamond, kaka-diamond mo lang, entitled ka pa rin dyan. Okay? And, hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dahil meron tayong next rank, crown diamond. No? Ayan. Mas malaki na naman to, 0.5%. So, we have 3 crown diamonds. We have Tim Miller, we have our very own Coach Fernand Santiago, and we have one from Kazakhstan. So, paano ang pag-compute ulit yan? 10 million. Kunin mo yung 0.5%. Magkano yan? $50,000. Paghahatian ng mga crown diamond in the company. Okay? Yan. Okay, so, para makita nyo na pare-pareho ang diamond bonus pool income. Ito po ang ating tatlong diamond rank leader. No, we have Coach Rex Campania, Coach Judah Horda, and Coach Harold Pangan. So makikita, ito, screenshot po ito ng income nila from their back office. Ha? Kung makikita nyo po, yung matrix bonus nila, magkakaiba. Depende kasi yon sa kapal at nipis ng matrix mo, no? Matching bonus, magkakaiba. Retail bonus, magkakaiba. Pero ang diamond bonus pool, pareho sila. 2,288, 2,288, 2,288. Yan. Okay, so, ang dami, no? May matrix, may matching, may retail, yan. Okay? Yan, ganun po. Very fair ang diamond bonus pool. Okay? Yan. So, number 5, customer acquisition bonuses. while it is true na hindi natin pinagkakakitaan ang purchase ng mga downline natin, alam niyo po, very generous si Livegood. Kasi doon sa first purchase ng mga partners natin, we get customer acquisition bonuses. So, paano yan? Yung first product order nila, 10% of that is paid as a customer acquisition bonuses. So, it follows yung structure ng fast start and retail commission. So, simple lang. You just have to log into your account and then you just have to check in. So, pag nag-purchase sila, well, yun. Boom. That it is also paid weekly. Dadagdag sa ating fast start commission. Okay? And number 6, retail commissions. Well, very familiar. Retail. Paano yan? So, merong part na magbebenta ka. But, it is optional. Hindi ka required magbenta. Pero may mga time kasi na yung mga tao gusto nilang, uy, try ko muna. Pwede bang bumili lang muna ako? The good news is that when you refer or when you get them into your retail site, ito ang pwede mong kitain. No? 50% sa first level mo. Pag bronze and silver ka, hanggang second level ang iyong retail commission. Pag silver ka, hanggang 4th level. Pag gold ka, hanggang 6th level. Pag platinum, hanggang 8th level. And pag diamond, hanggang 10th level. So, every person na bibili sa retail site mo, depende kung nasaan sila na level mo, entitled ka sa retail commissions. Okay? Ayan. 7th way to earn. We're almost done. Influencer bonuses. So, on top of the retail commission, meron tayong influencer bonuses. Paano yan, Janet? When you use your social media account to promote our products. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Pag meron kang $2,500 na sales, you're given additional 10%. That makes 60% ng commissions mo, right? Ngayon, pag meron kang 50,000, that makes additional 50%, making it a total ng 100%. Kasi di ba yung retail commissions mo, 50% plus additional 50%. So, 100%. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? 80% actually is binibigay ng company sa atin. Very lean lang ang profit nila. Kaya nga, di ba, yung first year na payout ng $50 million si Lefcon, right? And last month lang, $10 million. 1 month pa lang yan. That's how generous our company is. Right? Yeah, so, kung nakikita ninyo yung opportunity na to, you could really say that this is the true company that would help you secure your financial and time freedom. Huh? Yan. So, the good news is, ito ngayon na i-share. This is a very special part ng ating presentation because this year, merong program ng ating Dreammakers Worldwide. This is our mother team, no? Yan. So, ano tong program na to? This is getting 100 diamonds. We go for 100 diamonds this year, no? So, paano yan? We have this system. Anong system yan? To develop, to duplicate, and to build. So, paano yan, Janet? Okay, ito masasabi natin na this is the fast way to become diamonds, no? You could participate because if you are really serious with the business, if you want challenge, if you want pressure, if you are making this as an emergency plan, then you could participate with this program. So, ikaw yan. First week. 3. Yes. 3 people, serious people. Kasing galing mo, kasing sipag mo, at may pangarap. Okay. So, once na may 3 ka, you become bronze right away. And 50% faster commission dahil $25 per direct, that makes $75. Okay, second week, yung 3 yan, kaya nga, ang gusto nating i-qualify dito, yung 3 seryoso, no? Para mas mabilis yung duplication and multiplication natin. Okay, second week, yung tatlong yan will also have their own threes, right? The three na seryoso. Okay, ilan lang kinuha mo? Tatlo lang. And on the second week, these three will have their threes, making it 9 on your team. So, additional 10% dahil nasa second level mo na sila. Magkano yan? That's $45. Okay? Ayan. Third week.
March 25.
Siyempre, yung tatlong yan, they will also have their own threes. Kaya magiging 9, magiging 27 na ang total team mo for that third week. Okay, so silver rank ka na. And additional 5%, meron kang 5%. Magkano yan? $67.50. On the fourth week, ganun din, they will refer their threes. So, magiging 81 na yan. May 5% ka. 202.50 pag kinompute mo yung 81 na yan. Okay, on the fifth week, syempre, ganun din, power of duplication. Gold ka na on your fifth week. Okay, additional 3%, that makes 364.50. Sixth week, 243. 729 ang total ng team mo. Platinum ka na dahil ang platinum 500 lang naman, di ba? Additional 2%. That makes $729. Okay, seventh week. 729. 2,187. Plus yung andyan pa sa itaas, that would make you a diamond rank affiliate. So additional, or roughly, mga $5,000 yan. Okay? So, the secret is that just make sure that yung tatlong ito are serious. No, when we say serious, they really wanted to do the business. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, kung hindi mo ma-achieve ng 7 weeks, try it for 7 months. First month mo, 3. Second month mo, 9. Third month mo, 27. Ganun din. Fourth month mo, 81. Fifth month mo, 243. Sixth month mo, 729. And seventh month mo, 2,187. It is possible. Okay? Yeah. So, it's either 7 weeks or 7 months. May nakagawa na ba? O naman. Meron ang nakapag-diamond in 4 months. Diba? Yan. So, ayan. Sa matrix income, ganito naman ang computation. First referral, second referral, third referral. So, 273. Ayan. 273, 273. Pag kinompute po natin yan, no? Ayan. So, ikaw po yan. Ang magiging matrix income mo na yan is $819.25. Ha? Matching bonus, $409.50. Okay? Siyempre, itong mga to. 3 directs mo, 50%, mamatcha ni company. Ganyan ang matching bonus mo. So, a total of 1,228.75 sa matrix income mo. Okay. Now, how can you achieve this? Meron tayong special na 4 easy step system. Okay. So, napakadali lang pong sundan yan. Especially sa mga nag-uumpisa at hindi alam ang gagawin. Simple lang. Paano ang gagawin mo para hindi ka sin-zone, no? Usually, pag nagme-message ka, isi-sin-zone ka eh. Do not use the word kumusta. Mas magandang sabihin pwede po bang magtanong? Yan. O pwede bang magtanong? Or even your friend, di ba? Uy, Mare, pwede ba ako magtanong? Eh, syempre, ano yun, Mare? Di ba? Ganun yun, ano? Eh, syempre, pag sumagot yun, isunod mo na yung next script mo. Para nasa subscription business ako at naghahanap ako ng mga gustong mag-subscribe at potential na kumita. So, you are not preparing it directly. Use the third party. Pwedeng ang sagot niya is, meron akong alam. Or pwedeng sabihin na, uy, Mare, baka pwede ako dyan. Diba? So, hindi halata, na siya actually ang gusto mong offeran, no? Kaya always use the third party. Okay? And then, pag sumagot na siya, okay, may alam ako, uy, sali mo naman ako dyan, baka pwede ako dyan. Then, Second step, you could send a video about subscription economy, or you could send, kung matyaga siya, you could send a business presentation, no? Yan, syempre, kung eager yan sa opportunity, makikinig talaga yan, no? Ayan, so after sending the video, ngayon, ano sasabihin niya? Uy, parang maganda yan, Mare, parang interesado ako. Could you tell me more? Usually, ganun. O sige, what you will do on the third step, you get support. Saan manggagaling yung support mo? Your sponsor, or, excuse me, your sponsor or your coach, and have a three-way call. Alam niyo po, napaka-importante ang connection. That's why we encourage na magkaroon ng three-way call. And syempre, pag nag-umpisa ka, hindi mo pa alam ang sasabihin mo. So, you have to call your sponsor. So, sasabihin mo, my sponsor or my coach is well-versed dito, and he has been here for 1 year na. Ako nag-uumpisa pa lang. So, tatawagan ko siya, mag-three-way call tayo para mas ma-explain niya sa'yo yung business. And when you call your sponsor, no? Syempre, three-way call na kayo. You edify your sponsor. So, gagamitin mo yung ABC rule. Wherein, your sponsor will be yung advisor, kasi siya ang mag-a-advise sa prospect or yung client. Ikaw yung bridge, kaya tinawag natin ABC. Advisor, bridge, and client, or customer, or prospect. So, who is the advisor ulit? Your sponsor. Ikaw yung mag-bridge. I-bridge mo yung advisor and yung client. And when you bridge, very important ito, you edify your sponsor, not the client. Okay? This is Coach Eden. Ano na po siya, he's been here and he's been doing a lot and very successful siya sa journey niya sa Live Good. No? So, even if your client is an engineer or what, so, kailangan ang ma-edify is the advisor. Okay? Tatandaan niyo po yan. Yan. And of course, number 4, the landing page. So, dan na. Makinig ka lang. Habang nag-explain si sponsor, do not butt in. You shut up. And then, hayaan mong mag-explain si advisor, si sponsor. And then, after, syempre, makuklose na yan. So, magtatanong ng landing page na yun. And then, send your tour link site, your referral link to pre-enroll, and advise to lock in. Okay, napakadali, di ba? Yan, screenshot nyo po ito, no? Especially dun sa mga hindi pa alam yung gagawin dahil nag-uumpisa pa lang. This is very, very helpful para sa ating lahat. Okay? Yan. Okay, so, actually, what I have discussed right now is truly valuable. And you are on a triple win today. Why? I presented you products for you to get healthy. I presented you a compensation plan to have a life-changing income. And I presented you that our products are affordable, walang overpriced products, and price gouging. So, triple win ka. Health, wealth, and savings. Truly, we have a value. So, alam niyo po, lagi natin sinasabi that Live Good is revolutionary. What makes it revolutionary is the value that we have here na maipagmamalaki natin sa buong mundo. And I tell you, tomorrow, mas ma-excite kayo. Game over na talaga dahil bukas mai-announce si Ben and matutuwa kayo. Right? Ayan, so I'm done. Ayan, so mag-stop share muna ako. Ayan, okay. So, kayo ba ay nasiyahan sa ating presentation? Na-power ba kayo? Did you? Yuhu! Ayan. So, hindi ko... Yes, ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Ju.